This is crazy convenient, by the way. I think I'm gonna have more of these meat stew, and by the way, you can regulate the amount of time depending on how much you like the yolk. Personally, I like the runny yolk, so I don't cook it too much. So I'm gonna check it actually right now to see if the eggs are ready. Yeah, as you can see, there is a little bit of a runny fucking wait. Yeah, there is a little bit of a runny egg white, but that's cool with me. There is no problem. But if I wanted to cook it even more, I could just, you know, pop it back in. And yeah. Usually the yolk takes more to cook, so that's a plus. It makes it stay more liquid, which I think is a good thing. And yeah, and it's very handy because you basically have nothing to clean later. You have no pans, no utensils, nothing, and you just put some eggs in a fucking cup and you cook them. It's crazy. And if you want the yolks to be solid, you just cook it more. That's pretty simple. Looks very appetizing. And yeah, damn, the soy sauce is so good in this. So the reason I added some soy sauce is because umami. Okay, umami is like a taste, which if you don't know what umami is, you should Google that actually. U-M-A-M-I. Umami, literally umami. That's crazy useful to know. It's not a joke, it's not like a you mama joke, I swear. I also thought that, but it's not, apparently it's not the case. And yeah, it makes the eggs way tastier. Instead of just using salt, if you put soy sauce, you basically add salt and savoriness at the same time. It's too hot now, so I cannot fucking taste it, but it's very hot. Let's try the meat instead. It's amazing. Yeah. It's nice. Okay, Okay, let's try the eggs again. As you can see, meanwhile I was waiting, the yolk kind of cooked itself, so keep that in consideration. Amazing. It's great. One thing to be careful about is, then this happened to me when I was in vacation. I was like, guys, look at this trick. I put an egg in the microwave, in a small cup, just one egg, and I I cooked it too much and it fucking exploded. Not in the microwave, but when I pulled it out and I tried like moving it around, there was a lot of air apparently down stuck. And yeah, but if you cook it too strongly, if you cook it too much, it may pop up in some way. But there is nothing to be worried about. It's just eggs. You're not gonna get hurt. Just put some eggs in the microwave like this. It's gonna be amazing. Yeah, take it like 30 seconds at a time and see if there is enough. If it is not enough, just cook it more, and you know the drill. This is fucking amazing. Very quick meal. It just fucking 5 minutes to prepare it. I mean, the meat stew, to be honest, was already pre-made. I kind of pre-prepped it. But once you do it, you can make a lot of it, and you can store it in the fridge. It's a very handy thing to have. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question about this whole process, just let me know. If you have any question about the eggs, how I made them. I mean, it's pretty clear from the video, but if you found it useful, let me know in the comments. Like, okay, smash.